This example, which is homework number 1, where they give you, the book simply tells you, make believe you have some random variable x, whatever it stands for, which goes from 0 to 4. The chance of a head is 50%. 0 heads, 0, whatever it is, not even heads, because if it was heads and tails, these would be different numbers. These are some arbitrary, notice that it adds up to 100%. Figure out the e of x. So the e of x is done by the x times the p of x. If you want to do it systematically, this times this is 0.04, 0 times this is 0, 1 times 20 is 20, 2 times 15 is 30. Add all these x times p of x, and she ends up with an answer of 1. The fact that the p of x adds up to 1 is just a coincidence, but after all is said and done, the e of x is 1. Now, could you use the binomial shortcut formula for this example? The answer is no, because this is not a binomial. There's not two possibilities. There's nothing flipping coins here. There's nothing to do with binomial. So, likewise, this other example that Julie did, x, I'm not sure, which homework is this, by the way, Julie? Maybe 2 or 3?
That's the one right after 4.
All right. 5 point, what is it?
It's,
5
yeah,
point-
5.4.
5.4, okay, 5.4 perhaps. It's this times this, this times this, this times this, and it came out to 2, and that's how you get the e of x. Oh, so that's an important, we're going to spend a few minutes after I teach you one other side formula, go back to this formula, because we're going to spend a lot of time analyzing, using how to use this formula in real life. But the point is, don't use the shortcut formula, because in this example, for example, what is the n? What is the n here? There is no n. In other words, it's not a binomial, no one tells you about an n. What's the n in this example? There is no n. So if you try to apply the binomial formula shortcut, it will give you a meaningless answer. So just realize sometimes you got to use the long method, and sometimes if it's binomials particularly, you can use the shortcut method.